And I would like to invite the man to accompany me here.
The man behind the camera, I've seen some of the shots and they look fucking stunning to me. And thank you.
Thank you for doing this. I think we've got a killer shot, a killer debut for sure.
Is it the best debut that you have shot?
It is the best debut, yes.
Won't you get into trouble for saying this?
It's okay, we'll manage.
But
And you've been doing this since like 20 odd years now.
22 years, my 22nd year, yes.
22 years means I was like 9 when you first put out the calendar. So clearly I didn't
Wow.
I wanted to be an
Making me feel old now.
Yeah, so somewhere when I was aware of the calendar and stuff, I know that I saw Shah Rukh sir on it like a bunch of times. And, I was always fond of the man. I admired. I liked him. I thought he was like a cool guy. And,
Yeah, he's very cool. He's really cool.
yeah.
Yeah.
And then I was like, this should be done. Like one day, someday, just do this. Get one picture out on the calendar and done. And I feel like it's done. So yeah, it's
Amazing.
good. Good to have that
Amazing.
check.
Lovely. We should plan a lot more shoots together because from whatever the teasers people are seeing, they're loving. So I'm sure when the shot is out. A little bit about the shot is that it's very rugged, it's dirty, it's sexy. It's I don't think I've seen a picture of Vijay like that in that space ever before, and it's very different. I mean, I'll be honest. I mean, the way you came, the way it happened, it was so quick, and your image selection is also quite different from the rest of the people. I mean, you have your
Okay.
own take to it. It's a different spin to it. I love it. And
Okay,
I love
nice.
adding that newness in the calendar as well because I feel that, it's a different point of view. It's a different perspective. Maybe, very honestly, I may have not chosen the same expression.
Okay. Okay.
But, I was
I'm
torn
sure.
up
I'm
because
very
there were so
sure.
many nice pictures. I was like,
Yeah.
oh my God, which either this, either this, either this. We must, after this calendar is out, we'll post those pictures for everybody as well.
Sure.
The additional pictures as well so that they can get a vibe of the whole shoot. And I really enjoyed working on this calendar. So it's been 22 years, and this is the first time I've done it virtually. We had different plans. We had a launch plan for it, but looking at the scenario, we didn't want to have a party to celebrate because the whole situation is quite grim. So it didn't look right to have a party to celebrate the launch. So this is a new space for me.
I'm quite happy doing it this way. I'm very awkward at parties, so I'm very happy I can just do it over a phone.
I realized that, my impression of you was a little different. When I met you, I found you a little shy, little reserved, and I didn't expect the way you looked and the way I used to see you. I never imagined that you could be, so chilled and so shy from people and stuff like that. I remember when we were going for the shot at the Marriott as well, you sneaked your way through and how you came down and everything so that you don't get caught by anyone.
Yeah, yeah, that's how it is.
So, tell us a little more. I mean, what was the reaction when I called and say, okay, when I messaged you, let's do this calendar shot. And since you're saying it was on your checklist, since in your bucket list since so many years, what was the reaction? What did you think about, coming on board on this calendar and stuff like that?
So, like I knew that someday I would do it. I knew if not
Right.
this year, I would have come next year or some year. I knew that it would be done, and we would do
Right.
like a money shot, and you would get a really good shot whenever we did it. I was just not ready for it. Right, the time we did it, I wasn't mentally prepared because I was like, I want to film out first. Why am I doing a photo shoot without doing actual work? Like I want people to see a film of mine and then see me on a calendar. So I was
Right.
like, it's not now. We'll do it next year. And one more reason was I really didn't want my look for Liger to be out.
Right.
And I wanted people to experience the film without any adulteration. I didn't want any peak of the look out at all. But then when it came to it, because one reason was the I forgot, when did we shoot this? Did we shoot it last year, this year?
We shot it
Like,
in
when?
Jan. No,
We shot it in Jan this
Jan,
year.
yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. So I think after like the pandemic, I think through the pandemic, I was talking to you, and once I knew that I don't know I don't know when things will move on, when things will happen,
Right.
and you were ready to shoot it at the hotel I was at, and
Yeah.
I was just like, let's do it, man. Like, why
I'm so glad.
procrastinate? I was like, let's do it, and. So yeah, so I remember you coming. I don't remember when we did it and stuff, but I just remember you coming to Marriott. You came to the hotel,
Right.
to the room, and we had a quick chat. And I walked down, and you had set it up in one area, and I took off my shirt, did some push-ups, and we sat on the bike and done.
So
Yeah.
people are waiting desperately. You said you took off your shirt. Now everyone's
but-
waiting to see the shot.
But they won't get to see much. Like we did. I was careful. I'm still protecting my look in some sort of way, but we let them see a bit.
Yeah. It's a teaser to the real Vijay.
Yeah.
So I'm looking forward to do a lot more shoots with you when you're back in Bombay, and also the blow up, the print, which is the blow up of the shot. I'll give it to you when we meet in person in Bombay. And some special guests here to say hi to you as well. Myra, Kiara, Shivana are here.
Oh, hello, little ones. How are you all? I didn't see. We did something me and these girls did something. I didn't see.
We'll put it out.
That.
Yeah, we'll put
Okay.
out those pictures soon.
Okay.
Once the calendar shot is out,
Okay.
we have lot of stuff to post then.
No school? You guys still no school? School is still closed? Oh, holidays. There wasn't like the entire last year a holiday. Did you have exams, or they let you get away without exams?
Our exams got over and then we had holidays.
Online
was
exam?
summer.
They got good results. Surprisingly, they got good results.
Well done.
So we are enjoying as it is, school felt like a holiday, the homeschooling, and now suddenly this is an extended holiday now.
Nice. You saw all the shots? You kids
Yeah.
saw all the shots?
They saw all the shots.
Yeah,
yes.
What's your favorite one?
Yours.
What now? You're already you've become so smart. Really?
We might get in trouble for this, but we'll handle it.
Like I said, no? Like I said, it's the best debut. You said that you'll get into trouble for saying it. I said we'll handle it. So they're also saying the same thing.
Sweet.
They're
I
fast
hope everyone
learners.
loves it like you.
No, I'm sure we'll post it soon.
Hi.
Manisha
Hi,
is here.
how are you?
How are you? I want to start with first listening to your Namaskaram. That was my most favorite. The way you say it.
Yes. Namaste.
Amazing.
The Namaskaram.
I want that first.
Namaste.
Namaskaram.
No, your style.
Namaskar.
You say it.
I just
You
say
said-
namaste.
I must
just say
have,
namaste.
I must have heard it
You say
so
how I
much.
said it.
Okay, so I'll keep quiet and listen. Tell me.
I just say namaste. I'm just like namaste.
Yeah. I saw your
No,
bite. I
it's-
saw
No, your style.
In the first bite, now, which we released when we shot the calendar, the
Okay.
selfie bite.
Okay. I say andarki
I think you said-
namaskaram.
Yeah.
I say andarki namaskaram.
It's so amazing. It's like
It was
so.
like a very sweet, lovable way you said it. So it was like everybody connected.
You guys are tripping on andarki namaskaram. Wow.
No,
Nice,
really,
nice.
really.
Glad
And
you
with that,
enjoyed.
I must say, you've like completely surprised me. First of all, I met you for the ad campaign, okay? Great shoot, everything. The transformation from the ad campaign to the calendar shot, that gorgeous hair that you had,
And the body.
and the way you came and worked out. You know how I love making behind the scene pictures and videos, and you said nothing doing at that time. And I'm like, oh my god, just look at that. I mean, that's gold. That's pure gold.
FOMO, fear of missing out.
And the shot started, and in 2 minutes he's like, done, I got it. I'm like, no, it can't be so. I mean, he's like, look at it, I got it. And And it was right. He got. I said, no, please shoot some more. And then you all like did more variation. I said, okay, one more calendar shot. This is like amazing, fab shoot.
Nice. I'm glad you guys had fun and liked it, and I hope this picture. I know it'll do well when we put it
For
out.
sure.
I'm sure it'll do well.
For sure.
And no questions asked. Like he asked you to lie down on the floor. Nothing. You didn't even like.
I think for you it was the dirtier the better. I think when you were sitting on the bike, then going on the ground and shooting and everything. I think the dirtier you were getting, the more you were enjoying the whole process.
Yeah.
Yeah, but seriously, no questions asked, no airs, no nothing. That oh my God, he's telling me to lie down on the floor. He's telling me do this, do that. Nothing. You were like, yeah, sure. I mean, this is amazing. Lovely working with you.
Thank you so much. Should
Thank
we take
you.
a few questions of people, because I've never done a live in my life.
Okay.
I feel like if I don't talk to a few guys
Please do.
directly and leave, I'll regret it. So
You should.
But
Guys, ask some questions for Vijay. This is your lucky
I'll
day.
take 3 questions. I'll try and answer at least three questions. And
You're just saying they're biggest fans, love you.
Guys, time to ask Vijay a quick question. Come on.
What's
Yeah.
your next project?
What's your next project?
Please say hi.
Liger is like my past, present, and future right now. I feel like I've been doing Liger forever. So, but I'm enjoying it, so it's fine. Oh, I'm pressing some
What's
stuff.
your way to get motivated?
What's your way to get motivated?
We have
What's
another
my way
question
to get
for you.
motivated? What's my way to get motivated? I abuse myself. Like if I feel like I'm being lazy and stuff, like I abuse myself. I'm like hard love, tough love. I'm like, move your ass, you lazy, beep, beep, beep. Get on it, do it, you. Like that.
Amazing.
We have another guest for you.
Flash has come to say hi as well. See Flash.
Oh, hello. I wish Tom could meet him.
Who?
Oh my God! I saw your reel of you speaking to him
You
and he
were howling like a
responded to
wolf.
you.
Yeah.
I must have watched it 10 times over and over again. I said, how cute is this? Like you said, ooh, and he responds to you. Wow.
Okay, I think I'm really finding it hard to pick up questions, but I just want to tell you all that I'm sending you lots of love, thinking about all of you often, and I can't wait to bring something out for you so that you can go out with your friends, family, and spend some time with me in the theaters. Till then, I'm glad I could get stuff like this, like the calendar shot. I feel is something to again let us bond over something, and you get to see a bit of me again. So sending lots of love to the 40,000 people who have tuned in to. Sorry, is that 40,000?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The people who have tuned in to watch us chat today. I can see some people asking me to shave, and
No.
I will.
Shot and then see. When
Yeah.
this knee goes and that hair flies, stop then.
See the shot, guys. Then you see.
Yeah.
how the
So we
heck
put
is.
it out. We put it out now. I'll.
We'll post it. Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Bye.
Okay,
Dr.
Vijay.
Sam.
Thank
I'll
you.
take
Thank
off.
you for coming.
Thank you.
Bye.
Amazing.
Bye. All of you. Bye. Bye. Namaskaram. Mandarki namaskaram.
Namaskaram.
Tada.
Take care.